Here we are unboxing the Neewer 18.5 to 56 inch tripod. That's a camera tripod. Now that's 47 to 142 centimeters, depending on where you're coming from. So this is the second Neewer one we've actually reviewed. So we're going to take a look and have a look at the box. Similar packaging as always from Neewer here. So looks like a nice little compact package. Now we'll unbox this live with you guys. You can see what it's like. Let's take it out. So again, we've got the carrying case with Neewer, which is great. So you can use this to carry it around when you're obviously doing filming on shoot. As I said, I do a lot of filming as a content creator. So this is perfect for me. We'll take a look and have a look. Now this is 400 grams, the tripod as well. So it's not too heavy, which is good. And it also does, like, you use it on tripods, cameras, and smart cameras as well. So there is the tripod. Now what I like about this is it's fully customizable. Because it goes from 47 to 142 centimeters, it has a wide variety of uses. Now let's have a look. So as you can see, you can expand it just here. We'll show you in a minute how we do that.
Guys, if you love our reviews, we want to give back to you. We're doing a number of giveaways at the moment. So if you look below, there's a link. We can win thousands of dollars worth of prizes. We're giving away earbuds, speakers, headphones, we're giving away pool cleaners, all below. The more times you enter, the more chance you have to win, and it's our way of giving back to you. So check out links below and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep updated for more giveaways. Anyway, back to the video.
Expand it just there. So literally clip it, it comes out like that. You've also got the swivel. So it's 360-degree swivel, which is here. Now this is important because you want to be able to film many different locations. So as you can see, that moves all around the place like that. So it's completely movable. And you use this to actually raise the tripod. So very easy, just turn around and increases the height of it. So it's hard on this as well if you don't want to use it anymore. But let's do a demo just here. So I'm going to go and put the tripod out like that. You lock this here like this, locks that in place, and then you can move this depending on what you want to do. So let's go put that there, locks it in place, and there you've got the tripod there as well. So let's go and set up now and show you guys. So having good filming is very, very important to me. And today we're going to be reviewing the Neewer camera tripod. Now this goes from 15 inches to 54 inches. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to go and set it up right now and show you how it goes. So as you can see, there it is just there. Weighs about 4 kilos. Very nice and light, so you can have it over your shoulder like this. So let's go and open it up and see how it goes. I'm going to set up with my camera too, so you guys can see it in detail. So there it is just there. Again, you want portable when you're filming all the time. Be able to go and shoot sets in different areas. So there is a tripod just there. Now it's fully adjustable. So you've got the 360-degree swivel there, which you can move around to film. You put the camera on there, obviously. So let's go and expand it out. One thing I've already noticed with this though is it doesn't have a ability to hold like a smartphone on there, but that's fine. It's designed for cameras. You can see there it is just there. So a nice quality build. I also like these as well. The camera stands I've done haven't actually had these buffers on there, which helps provide a bit more security. So okay, how you do it? Well, you start by extending this out depending on the height you want. Now obviously it's a tripod, so you need to have all the tripods equal, otherwise it destabilizes when you're using it. So you open that like that. Like so. The other thing I like in this is see these feet about how they're angled. There's a good touch because sometimes when they're flat, it provides a bit of instability when you're actually using the camera. We open that up just like that. Now, open up like this. And you see just there, you actually lock this in to stop it from moving. So that stops it moving there. And you've got a hook there too, which I think is a nice touch to actually hold stuff off it. And you've got this as well, which you can use to lock in place as well and to hold it. Okay, here is a tripod. Now, as always, to put the camera on, come a bit closer. You've got a couple of ways to do it. So I generally take this off and then I screw my camera in like this. I just find that's a little bit easier and you can get the right angle with the camera too as you use it. So put that on there and then that locks the camera in place. And then we pop it on here as well. So it goes lengthways. So click that open like that. That's right. Locks it in. So the camera's now locked in. Now how does this move? Well, so you've got the handle here, which you can move 360, so put the camera that way, which I think is good. See the flexibility to move it around depending on where you want to film. You want to lock that in place. You just hold that, tighten that, and that then doesn't move at all. So now you've got the other parts that move too. So you can put it up and down by winding this winch here. So there, so if you want to go up, just wind it up. I don't mind this actually because it means it holds in place. A lot of cameras have things that just go up. That's really good. Now you can use this as well to change it. So say you want to change the height, you can move this too. So you can go vertical. Just open that up. So all these can come off as well. Ideally, you want to make sure before you start filming that it's all nice and tight, just so you can lock it into place. So close all that up. Now, I also like here it's got a ability to measure how stable it is. So this measures if there's any angles. As you can see, how stable this is. Look, it doesn't move at all. That is fully stable. You've got the buffers there as well. But as I said, you change this and it's completely movable. So you can move the camera. You can move the camera around here. You can undo this. So you want to go down like that. Want to move like that. You can also do it so you can film in vertical too. So we undo that back part there. Flips over. Tighten it up. And then you've got vertical filming too. So excellent camera tripod. Very, very sturdy. And that's not going anywhere as well. So yeah, the Neewer camera tripod DSLR.